are continuing on with the lines of best fit, which is what we were on last week. So have your paper out, pencil out, calculator out. Okay, so this is going to be not too bad as long as you remember the steps. So again, you're going to make a scatter plot for most of the time, which is just plotting the points. And remember, you're going to pick 2 points on the line. Okay? Then you're going to pick use those 2 points to find the slope using slope formula. And then pick 1 point and the slope and change from point slope to slope intercept form. Okay, for this problem, the scatter plot and the line of best fit are given to you. Now, pick any 2 points on the line. They do not necessarily have to be the dots. Remember, the point of the dots was to make the line of best fit. You don't have to use any of those dots after. Now we want to find the equation of the line. Ironically, this point here and this point here are nice. Okay, and those happen to be dots, but you do not have to use the dots. You just have to find 2 places where the line is nice. So one of them is, oops, let's see if it works now. Okay, we'll use this color. 84, 225. And the other one is, and these go by 2s on the bottom, 86, 300. Remember, they go by 2s. And okay. Now, you will also want to notice this thing is a break in the graph. It goes from 0 to 80, and then it goes by 2s. Please note, sometimes when those are used, your x-intercepts and your y-intercepts will look a little skewed because it goes from 0 to a number so quickly. So just be aware of that. Okay, now we are going to find slope. So we're going to use the slope formula, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 over x sub 1. And then you're going to take your calculator out. Do this with me. 300 minus 225 is 75. And this, oops, that's supposed to be a 75. And this is 2. Now, I'm going to divide that out. And I'm going to get 37.5. For the point of scatter plots, sometimes we might have decimals as our slopes, just because there might be decimals and they're not really nice numbers. You can leave those for decimals for right now for slopes, only for scatter plots. Okay, so I'm going to use that slope and I'm going to pick a point. I often like to pick the first point and write it as point slope form. Okay, point slope form is y minus the y value. If you still don't know that, look back at your notes. The slope and the x minus the x value. Okay. Then, so if you look, this is actually finding the slope, and this is actually this part. But we're going to be showing our work, so I'm going to need a little more space. Okay, so we're going to distribute, and I get y minus 225 equals 37.5 times x minus, now 37.5 times 84 is 37.5 times 84 is 3150. Okay? So far, so good. Okay. Then we're just going to add 225 to both sides. And we get y equals 37.5 times x. And then we're going to just subtract that and get minus 2925. Now, That's changing it to slope-intercept form, which is what it says way down here, but you guys probably can't see that real well. Now that's going to look weird because of this break in the graph. So my y-intercept, when you see a break in the graph, is going to be kind of off, let's just say, because it's not an accurate data, because that normally the graph goes on further. So here is my slope-intercept form, okay? Any questions? Okay, so you're going to do the scatter plot worksheet, okay? You should have it already if you were in class. If not, you got to download it, okay? Then, so for that one, you make the scatter plot. So again, make the scatter plot, draw the line of best fit, pick 2 points on the line. They do not have to be ordered pairs from the data, but they can be, but they don't have to be. Ignore those points. You want 2 points on the line. Find slope, then write it in point slope form, then write it in slope intercept form. Okay? Have a great day.